From here on out, just a few degrees climb here and there. Once you get a couple of showers, though, you may actually drop briefly. Back down to the upper 60s. That's certainly possible. This first batch of rain, though, is way ahead of the main batch. You can see it's very, very light overall. Even where the yellow is indicated, that's probably your best chance to see the drops even just reaching the ground. The green part probably is not because it is so dry in the lower layers of the atmosphere, but that is slowly but surely evolving each hour this afternoon. A few showers, again, at least drops possible on the western side here of Jennings County to Jackson, all the way into Washington, eastern side there of Orange County, and perhaps just west there of well, close to, I would say, west of Brandenburg, northern areas in Meade County, right on the river itself. You could get a few drops. Louisville, right now, dry, but we'll see what can move in from the southwest over the next hour or two. Let me get you right to the main band itself, though, and it's easy to pick out. I mean, this is a very strong low pressure. If we were not in a drought scenario and we had a ton more moisture being added into the mix, this would be a big severe weather event for the country. So at least the drought is saving us on that side of things. We need the rainfall, but it's helping us out on keeping everything relatively tame on any big tornado outbreak that likely would have been the result of this kind of a setup here. But still, having said that, it still have a lot of wind, but we may cut down at least on a widespread severe threat on this. So the first round of showers, again, minor. Here's the main rain band. Your severe threat today is going to be for the next few hours as we get to the max heating of the day. So around areas of obviously close to Lake Barkley, land between the lakes, down to Nashville, that's the area to watch for the grace potential. But some of these could still stay strong as they push into areas very close to the Ohio River as they move in from the west. But this line is going to weaken as it approaches I-65, and that's why the threat cuts off sharply once you get to that point. So only a few of us are in that very low end risk for this evening. The wind threat, general wind is what I'm talking about here. That's more the bigger issue, and that goes all the way up close to Louisville. We could see a few counties getting added to this a bit later on, depending on how things evolve over the next few hours. Gust here in Louisville is 25 miles per hour, 31 in Nashville, and 26 is current gust in Paducah. So here's your 10-day earliest alert. We are going to cool down in a big way tomorrow. Tomorrow it's going to be on the struggle bus to warm up whatsoever. Temperatures stuck in the 50s all day tomorrow. The rain will be this evening. We start things off somewhat decent for the weekend, but right now the rain chance comes back Sunday, and it looks like into Halloween as well. We'll take a closer look at that in your trick-or-treating forecast as well, coming up in the next half hour. Kathleen?
Trick-or-treating forecast, very important. Keeping a close eye on you. Still ahead on midday, new fears over the growing threat of a triple-demic, flu, COVID, and RSV. Those illnesses are pushing already full hospitals, possibly to the breaking point. We have the details ahead.